So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this SmartMag WordPress magazine theme in just $3.5 with lifetime update and license key activated. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website. So you have to click on buy now. Now here you have to fill your basic details. Go for the payment. Now see this, after the payment will be done, you'll see these two files. The first one is the main theme file and the second one is the child theme file. Check it. Now after this will be done, now it's time to activate it. Add new theme, upload theme, choose files. You have to install now. Activate. You see this, the theme license is active. Now you have to install it, or wait, I will install it. Now you see this, after all of the required plugin will be installed, now you can just import any demo from here. You see this, there are a lot of options.